Hey everyone, welcome back. So in the last video, we are trying to attach IAM roles for the SSM. So that was taking time. So now it gets connected. We'll see. So if you go to the EC2 instance, first we'll EC2 and the roles which we have created. So if we click on action, security, click on modify IAM role. So here you can see the EC2 SSM role is coming. So I have updated. So let's go to the system manager. So if you click on system manager and go to the session manager and we'll click on start session. Here you can see the demo private EC2 instance is coming. So if we click on start the session and we'll test the connectivity. Click the command paste. See here its response is coming, and if you again want to ping, so this is only for testing because we don't created the public IPs and we are not able to do SSH. So here you can see it's sending. So if successful, your private EC2 instance has outbound internet access by NAT Gateway. So that's all from this video. Thank you.